Hello. Oil and electricity prices closed the week lower whilst gas prices posted weekly gains. Let's look at the week's movements in some more detail. Front-month Brent fell nearly $1 per barrel on Monday as markets took their direction from rising US stocks. Prices continued to soften throughout Tuesday as the API report showed crude stocks rising by 3.2 million barrels per day last week, which added further downward pressure. Also adding to the bearish sentiment was the announcement by Exxon of plans to triple its shale production in the Permian Basin and expand infrastructure to bring those products to market by 2025. Prices retraced some of the week's losses on Wednesday, despite the weekly EIA report showing an increase in stocks of 6.8 million barrels. Prices rose on expectations that Goldman Sachs would increase its price forecast by a third to $80 per barrel. The bank now estimates Brent will reach $75 per barrel in the next 3 months and $82.5 per barrel within the next 6. Despite the gains seen later in the week, front-month Brent closed last night at $69.15 per barrel, down $1.29 per barrel compared to last Friday. The market opened strongly on Monday, however, healthy supply and demand fundamentals pressured prices lower throughout the day. By the afternoon, the system was in oversupply thanks to an increase in continental supplies and demand being below seasonal norms. Near-term contracts lost nearly a penny a therm, whilst longer-dated contracts lost around half a penny a therm. Most near-term contracts closed Tuesday's session lower, once again being driven lower by a healthy system. Longer-dated contracts closed relatively flat day on day. All contracts then posted gains on Wednesday, driven largely by a change in weather forecasts. It was previously expected that the start of February would be mild. However, the revisions now suggest that temperatures will be below seasonal norm. Higher oil prices also contributed to the gains. Prompt prices rose strongly on Thursday as news broke of further production cuts at the Groningen facility in an attempt to reduce the occurrence of earth tremors. Last night, near-term contracts posted gains compared to last Friday, whilst longer-dated contracts from summer 18 closed the week lower. Falling NBP gas prices directed power prices lower on Monday, coupled with an increase in wind generation and an increase in nuclear availability. Gas prices continue to direct power prices lower throughout Tuesday's session, and all curve contracts closed lower by around £0.2 per megawatt hour. Prices edged higher on Wednesday thanks to rising gas prices and a weaker pound relative to the euro. Gains on day-ahead prices were capped thanks to an increase in wind generation, which was forecast to reach just over 8 gigawatts on Thursday. Thursday's session tracked the movements of gas, and last night all contracts closed higher than last Friday. You can download this report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.